just made chapter 1 of this story, and let's read it. The chapter 1 of it. We'll do a video for every chapter. The Amazing Waterfall by Mr. Fun Kid. Chapter 1, The Story. One bright morning at Playville, a kid named Jack heard a knock on his house door. "Hi, kid. I'm here to deliver tree wood," said the man. "To your parents, I presume?" "Oh," Jack replied. "Why?" The man came in and walked to Jack's parents. "Is this yours?" asked the man. "Yes," Jack's dad replied. "Thank you." Jack went to his room and searched what that meant, and all he found was the story of the amazing waterfall. "What?" Jack thought. "What is this?" Jack read the story and thought he could find what it meant. So he sneaked out of his sneaked out of his window to head there to find out. He walked and walked until he got thirsty. He thought he could get to a well that was close by. Jack seen a town in front of the well. He went there to rest when he realized the town was in the story, so he rested. And after he rested, he headed to the road that goes to the amazing waterfall. "Hi," said a man in the forest. "Follow me." "Why?" asked Jack, confused. "Are you going to lead me to the amazing waterfall?" "Why, no," replied the man, for I have never been." "So why are you talking to me?" asked Jack. "It has no use for you, right?" "It does," replied the man. "I thought you would know where it is. I am going to ask the waterfall for extra school time. And I thought I spaced here. And all I know is that there is a shortcut over here. By the way, my name's Pario," said the man. "I'll tell you a story," said Pario. "One day I was bored at school, and I hated all the classes. So I got mad and tried to find a way to get out of it. I tried trying, but that did not help. Then I realized that it was helping me learn, so I wanted to be a teacher when I grew up. I did, but the job was too short for me, so I now want longer school days." "Wow," replied Jack. "So that is why you want to go to the amazing waterfall?" "Yep," said Pario. "Well, we will never get there if we just keep listening to stories, so let's get to it. End of chapter 1.